You opened a website or clicked on a link, and within seconds, your device is compromised. No downloads, no pop ups, just instant silent control. That's exactly what happened with Apple and Windows' latest zero day exploits. Hackers were already using these vulnerabilities before anyone knew they existed. So, who is behind this? How do these attacks actually work? And most importantly, how can you stay safe? Let's deep dive into the latest cybersecurity nightmare. Two critical zero day vulnerabilities have been patched recently, both of which are actively exploited in the wild before the fixes were released. First one is Apple WebKit vulnerability. It found in WebKit the engine powering Safari, iOS browsers, and macOS applications, allowing remote code executions when a user visits a maliciously crafted web page. Attackers can execute arbitrary code, steal data, or drop malware without either interaction. Second one is Windows Smart Screen Bypass, which have a CVE of 2024-21412. Exploits a flaw in Microsoft Defender Smart Screen. Attackers craft a malicious internet shortcut using .url or .link file that tricks Windows into executing an untrusted file as if it were safe. Allow code execution without triggering any security warnings. Why is this alarming? These vulnerabilities were discovered after they had already been used in targeted attacks since late 2024, and they are patched now in 2025, meaning hackers had access before the public even knew about them. Who is using these vulnerabilities? While Apple and Microsoft haven't publicly disclosed all attack details, threat intelligence suggests that state-sponsored hackers, potentially groups included APT41 from China, known for targeting Apple devices using WebKit exploits, Lazarus Group from North Korea has used browser exploits to distribute spyware, FSB-backed Russian hackers possibly linked to geopolitical espionage campaigns, and also cybercriminals and zero-day brokers. Dark web marketplace sells WebKit and Windows Zero Days for hundreds of thousands of dollars. Exploits are often used in targeting phishing attacks and delivered via malvertising, that is malicious ads. Let's understand how this attack works, starting with Apple WebKit exploit. The type of this exploit is used after free, that is UA vulnerability, and how it works is WebKit improperly frees memory before it is fully cleared. Attackers craft a malicious website that forces the browser to reference freed memory and causing a crash. The crash is exploited to execute shellcode, leading to a full system compromise. A exploit sample has been shown on the screen. I guess the simplified version of how the exploit might have looked. Now start with Windows Smart Screen Bypass. The type of this exploit is security feature bypass, and how it works is that attackers send a malicious internet shortcut, either .url, via email or drive by download. The link points to a remote malicious file, and Windows misidentifies the file as trusted, allowing execution without smart screen alert. The exploit example in simplified way is shown on the screen. Then, how to protect yourself? There are several security measures, starting with update your devices now. For Apple, go to Settings, General, and Software Updates. And for Windows, go to Settings, Update and Security, and Windows Update. Second, use a hardened browser. Chrome, Firefox, and Brave use sandboxing to mitigate WebKit flaws. Safari users should enable lockdown mode. And third one is blocking suspicious content. Enable JavaScript blocking using uBlock Origin and disable automatic downloads in Safari and Edge. Fourth one, verify file sources. Never open .url, .lnk, .xyz, and .htf files from unknown senders. Use VirusTotal to scan links before clicking. Zero-day exploits are the biggest cybersecurity threat because they hit before anyone can react. With hackers actively using these flaws, the best defense is to stay informed and take action immediately. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you can never miss a critical cybersecurity update. Stay safe online.